In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete an image for WordPress Media Library. At first, make sure to be logged into your WordPress dashboard and then hover on Media and then select Library. Currently, I'm in the list view, and on this page, you'll see a list of images which are currently stored on the WordPress site. So in order to delete an image, you want to make sure it's not used in any of the posts or pages on your WordPress site. As in my case, the images that you see here are for testing purposes, so I can safely delete them. As an example, let's go ahead and delete this first image, Espresso Service. For that, let's hover in it and then click on Delete Permanently, and then press OK. As you can see, the media file has been permanently deleted. Alternatively, if you wish to delete multiple images at the same time, for that, just go ahead and select multiple images, and then click on Bulk Actions, click Delete Permanently, and then Apply. And once again, confirm the change. And just like that, we've deleted 2 images. And finally, in case the images are displayed in the grid view, you have to just select the image, and then at the bottom right corner right here, there's an option to delete it. Once again, let's click Delete Permanently and just confirm the change. And this is it. That's how you delete images in the WordPress Media Library. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this tip helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.